the Bosch 18-volt lithium-ion Brute Tough drill driver. The most compact, lightest weight available. 700 inch-pounds of max torque. High-performance motor with all-metal gears. 2-speed drill. Extremely durable. Half-inch keyless metal auto-lock chuck with 25+1 clutch settings. New Bosch Cool-Pack batteries are designed to reduce heat buildup. These high-efficient battery packs stay cooler and live longer, featuring an integrated fuel gauge and superior cold weather performance. Slim pack for lightweight, or fat pack for maximum runtime. Every battery works with every tool. Power to get it done. Tough as nails. Never lets you down. The 18-volt lithium-ion Brute Tough drill driver.
Bosch, invented for life.